Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? They are a pair of chairs that are incredibly comfortable, and they're also very portable, so you can bring them on the go. Whether you're attending a sports event, whether you're going camping, or whether you're just bringing them over to a friend's house, they're easy to grab. So as you can see, here is one all folded right here next to me. They slide into each other. It has this little arch look to it. It has a nice little handle here at the top. And so it's very easy to bring, and then off season, if you're not utilizing them, it's very easy to stack them in your garage when you're not utilizing them. But then once they are set up, you can see here they are. They've got this nice little kind of X pattern, if you will. They're super comfortable for lounging. That also makes them great if you're sitting by the pool or the beach. They are basically a little bit low off the ground. So once again, it's great to kick back and relax in these chairs. Now you can see they are made out of that kind of resistant HDPE material, which is that kind of like faux wood material. So they're absolutely perfect for holding up against the weather. They also are resistant to bugs, rotting, and then also UV resistant, so they're holding their color, which is really nice. Now they are assembled with various screws. They come pre-assembled, so right out of the box you are good to go. The screws themselves are stainless steel, so that's going to help you with things like rusting and everything. Now to give you an idea of the size, they're about 18 3/4 inches wide. It's about 25.5 inches in depth, and then it is about 27.5 inches in height. Now, when they're folded, they're about 36.5 inches by 18 3/4 inches. The maximum weight of these, each chair will support about 350 pounds. But like I can't stress enough, they are super comfortable with the way they arch. They give you nice support in the back. They're comfortable when you're sitting on them, even if you don't have any cushions or anything like that. I can sit on these for a long amount of time, and they're very easy to bring with you because of the handle, like I said, and then there's no absolutely assembly, which is another great feature. So overall, if you are ready to kick back and relax and maybe bring some chairs on the go, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.